Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a game changer in the kitchen, the Vitamix Ascent X3 blender. If you are tired of blenders that sputter out on ice or leave lumps in your morning smoothie, this one is about to blow your mind. Picture this, silky smooth drinks, hot soups in minutes, and even nut butters that taste like they came from a fancy store, all from one sleek machine. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why this professional grade beast deserves a spot on your counter. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you. All right, let's jump right into the features of this beauty. First off, the design is just stunning. It has this modern, timeless look with a matte shadow black finish that fits right into any kitchen, whether yours is sleek and minimal or full of warm vibes. No more bulky eyesores taking up space. The base is compact, about 8 inches wide and 18 inches tall, so it slides easily under most cabinets. Weighs around 11 pounds, sturdy but not a workout to move. Now the heart of it, that motor. It packs 2.2 peak horsepower, which is about 1500 watts of pure power. That means it crushes through frozen fruit, nuts, and even tough veggies like they are nothing. The blades are laser-cut stainless steel, 13 inches long, super sharp, and durable. They create a vortex that pulls everything down for perfect blends every time. The container is a big deal too. Comes with a 48-ounce, low-profile pitcher made of BPA-free Triton plastic. That size is perfect for 1 to 4 servings, so no waste on solo smoothies or enough for the family. It has a soft grip handle that feels great in your hand, and the lid is vented with a drop-down plug for adding ingredients mid-blend. Plus, it is dishwasher safe, but we will talk about cleaning later. Speaking of smart stuff, this has self-detect technology. The motor base reads a chip in the container or any compatible attachment and automatically adjusts the power and time. So if you swap in a smaller cup or food processor bowl, it knows and tweaks settings for you. No more guesswork. The controls are touch-based and intuitive. There is a digital timer display right in the center that counts up as you blend, helping you nail recipes. On the left, you get 3 preset programs, one for smoothies, one for frozen desserts, and one for hot soups. Just press and walk away, it heats through friction in about 6 minutes. The variable speed dial on the right goes from 1 to 10, plus pulse for total control. And do not forget the self-cleaning program. Add warm water, a drop of soap, hit the button, and it scrubs itself in 60 seconds. Genius. It also comes with a tamper to push down thick mixes without stopping the blades. Oh, and a digital recipe book with over 30 recipes tailored for this series, downloadable via the Vitamix site. Warranty is 10 years, which is insane. Vitamix blenders last up to 10 times longer than average ones, based on their studies. Colors available are shadow black and polar white, so pick your style. Okay, now for the real talk, pros and cons. I have used this thing daily for weeks, blending everything from green smoothies to peanut butter, and here is what stands out. Pros first. Number 1, the power is unmatched. It pulverizes ice into snow in seconds, makes creamy emulsions for dressings, and even grinds grains into flour. I made a batch of almond butter that was restaurant quality smooth, no grit at all. Number 2, those presets are a time saver. The smoothie one nails the perfect texture without babysitting, and the soup program turns raw veggies into piping hot puree effortlessly. Number 3, build quality screams premium. Metal drive system, no plastic gears to wear out, and it runs quieter than older models, around 85 decibels on high. Number 4, the self-detect makes it versatile. I added a personal cup and it adjusted automatically, perfect for quick single serves. Number 5, easy cleanup with that self-clean cycle means less hassle, more blending joy. And the design, sleek and space efficient, looks pro on the counter. Now cons, because nothing is perfect. 1, the price tag. It lists around $650, which feels steep if you are just doing basic shakes. 2, the 48-ounce jar is great for small batches, but might feel small for big family meals. You can buy a 64-ounce add-on though. 3, touch controls can be finicky if your hands are wet or greasy, though I did not have much trouble. 4, no Bluetooth or app integration like some older Ascents, so if you love recipe syncing, that is gone. 5, it is heavy for a small blender, about 11 pounds, so not super portable. And 6, the presets are limited to 3. If you want more like nut butters or dips, step up to the X4 or X5. But here's the thing, for most folks, the pros crush the cons. If you blend a few times a week, want pro results without the fuss, and value a machine that lasts a decade, this makes total sense. It is not for casual users who barely use a blender, but if you are serious about healthy eats, meal prep, or just silky textures, oh yeah, it is a yes from me. So my recommendation, grab the Vitamix Ascent X3 right now. It elevates your kitchen game, saves time, and pays for itself in better meals and less waste. Click that referral link in the description to snag it on Amazon, and you will get the best pricing plus special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Trust me, your smoothies will thank you. Before we wrap, hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews like this, and click the link below to support the channel. What are you blending first? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.